Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to unblock a contact or phone number on iPhone. If you have blocked someone and now you want to unblock him, so let's see how can I do this. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings just scroll down and look for apps, select it, and there scroll further and look for phone app. Here's that, just select it, and here scroll down again and you will get a setting of blocked contacts. Just select it, and here you can see I have locked these two contacts. So just scroll down to left and here the option of unblock, select it, scroll down to left and then unblock it. If you want to block someone, so just tap on add new and then select the contact which you want to block. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.